Hello viewers, let's take a look at this question. We are asked, when quicklime dissolves in water, the options are, we have A, heat is absorbed, B, heat is evolved, C, oxygen is liberated, and hydrogen is what? Given off. Now just remember, in this case, now what you need to do is balance the equation so that you know what is involved. Now let's balance it. Quicklime here is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is called quicklime. We react with what? We react with water. When we react with water, what is formed? Of course, when this thing formed, we have what? Calcium hydroxide. Calcium what? Look at calcium hydroxide. Do you get that? Now, this calcium hydroxide that is formed, just know that this is what? Slake lime. This one is called slake lime, while this one is called quicklime. Now, if you are not doing the practical, how do you know then? Let me tell you, these two things, heat is evolved and heat is absorbed and heat is evolved, is typically endothermic and exothermic reaction. Now when you talk about exothermic reaction and the endothermic reaction, use energy change to check whether it is heat is being absorbed or heat is being what? Evolved. How do you do that? What I have to do is that find enthalpy change. This is the symbol of enthalpy change is equals to what? Enthalpy change of product minus enthalpy change of what? Reactants. Now find the number of moles of reactant and find the number of moles of what? Of product. Now how many moles are there in the reactant? Here, nothing here. All right, so since there is no mole ratio here, is what? 1 plus nothing is in this water. Okay, nothing is in this water, so the mole ratio here is 1. Now here is a single compound. Since it's a single compound, the mole ratio will be what? Mole ratio will be what? 1. So therefore 1 plus 1 will give you what? 2. So then in the reactant, this is the reactant, and in the product we have only what? 1. Now put it in your formula. Enthalpy change now will now be equal to, what is the product? Product is what? 1 minus, what is the reactant? Reactant is what? 2. Enthalpy change now will be equals to what? Minus 1. Do you get that? Minus 1 kJ per what? Per mole. Now remember, anytime the enthalpy change is negative, it is exothermic reaction. Anytime enthalpy change is negative, it is what? Exothermic reaction. When anytime enthalpy change is positive, it is what? Endothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction means heat is being what? Released. All right, so since here it is negative, it means that heat is being what? Released. Okay, so heat is being released is more is like saying heat is being what? Heat is being evolved. Evolve means release, while absorb means it is exothermic reaction, means that heat is being evolved. When the enthalpy change is positive, it means that heat is being absorbed, means that it is endothermic reaction, which will give you what? Positive. So our correct option here is what? Heat is being what? Evolved. For more of this video, subscribe to Ojema YouTube channel, or you can follow us on Facebook on Ojema Online Chemistry. Do well to like this video, share and comment. Thank you.